what did you have in mind for her today?
A little bit of trimming, and then like what is the nature of her hair?
Yeah.
If it is curly or just wavy,
Yeah.
or how should I maintain, like everyday maintenance?
Yeah.
Here it's dry as well.
Yeah, because you know why? The natural oils are here. And then because of this kind of texture, the oils can't go down all the way here.
Okay.
So that's why we use products. So let's do the haircut first.
Sure.
And then we'll do the washing and we'll come back here and I'll show you how much to apply.
Okay, sure.
Okay, now see how it looks, the ends.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've shampooed her hair twice and tried to remove all the buildup. So now when you have to detangle with conditioner on very wet hair.
Okay.
So
Okay. Again, it's a surprise for me. Like I've been using so much. See the product.
Okay.
It's only a little.
It's way
Yeah.
more than that.
So all the products with water only.
yeah. Because otherwise it will be very sticky. You'll feel, why is my hair sticky? That's because you didn't put enough water. Okay, now see, it just expands. Then just focus on the hair.
Okay.
Is your neck okay? Yeah. See, nothing near the scalp.
Okay.
Yeah. Just feel that little bit of product that we put. Just feel it.
Yeah.
It's there. Now what you do is you gently detangle this way. So you have your brush.
After conditioner.
Yeah.
you detangle.
I took too much conditioner.
Okay, that much
That's
is also
too
not
much.
bad.
Yes. But can you feel it?
Yes.
See this one.
The product quantity is like a
Tiny.
surprise for me. Like it's very little.
Yeah.
It goes a long way.
It's
Yes.
way too much.
This is exactly why I show in the videos. Nobody wants to listen. I show like this is how much you should use, but no. But you know, I understand. Okay, it's coming.
Like
from,
we are used to put so much oil or
Yeah.
anything for that matter, like too much and then wash
Yeah.
and style the hair. So it's like very little is sufficient.
Yeah. And see how I'm detangling in
Section
small
by
sections.
sections. Okay.
Always detangle in small sections. See, run your fingers through this.
Very curly.
That's because we're handling it very gently. Can you feel the pressure?
No.
It doesn't hurt, right? You actually have.
She might expect the same thing from me, and we might end up in fight.
Then you do it yourself now. You're big enough. You can do this. So see, now this is too much.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you'll struggle.
half of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take one, then you won't struggle.
Okay.
Now this will take time. That is why we're doing this only once a week.
Okay.
The mask thing.
Yes.
So by the time you finish gently detangling, it's time to wash it.
We need to wash again.
Yeah, you have to wash it
Ah,
off.
Okay. I thought it's a leave-in one.
Yeah, so first you wash it off.
Okay.
Then you put a little bit more again.
Oh, okay.
Because let that first layer go
Mm.
and we invite water in.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll come this side. How they're all naturally in their curl families.
Mm-hmm.
We detangle everything and see how much hair she lost.
And it's all detangled.
Yeah, so all the hair is still there.
Yeah.
So this is how you should detangle because you need product, you
Yeah.
need that slip. So
Okay.
you're not fighting with the hair.
Yeah.
So now the another thing is if you brush slip this,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
everything will just go down. It will not have any.
So whenever we are detangling, it should be like this and
No,
then
no,
in
no.
sections.
That's because I wanted to show
Ah,
you.
okay, okay.
But you want to detangle while sitting straight, so there's no strain on the neck, and then like this.
Section by section,
Yeah.
a little bit.
See, like this little by little you take and you go like clockwise or anti-clockwise. You do
The
that.
same direction.
Yeah.
Okay.
And take little bit. This is too much. How you'll struggle, no? So just take little bit and brush.
Usually I partition in the middle and then I do one side together and the other side together. So now I know like this will be
You
easier.
can do that
Mm.
also if
Mm.
that is your usual method.
No, I do it like full one side and the other side. So it but I need to section it. It's good.
Yeah, so you, even with two sections, here also you can be mindful and go section by section like this.
Okay.
So the same way you shampoo like this, let her be with her clothes on, shampoo, and then you can sit here nicely, watch some TV. if it was me
Okay.
and this was my child and it's a Saturday morning, I would just leave it like this.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will dry like this.
Okay.
If you can touch the scalp,
Yeah,
it's like not very wet.
Very wet. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, so you can like remove excess water with the towel.
Yeah, usually when she is in home, we use that. Like we just leave it like this and then
Yeah.
it dries.
Yeah, but you want to squeeze with the towel also.
Okay.
So that it's not dripping wet.
Okay.
So all the
Okay.
excess water the towel can take, and then you can air dry it. This is a nice cotton towel.
Okay.
But if you can get a microfiber towel, that will be better.
Okay.
But it's not a must, it's okay. So usually what we do is we take this and then we
Yeah,
go roll,
and then we
roll,
roll
right?
and then put it
Ah,
back.
so don't do that.
Okay.
Don't do that. What we can do is first you tie up the sides.
Okay.
Just make sure it's on your forehead, okay?
Okay.
Tie this, and this is the no? So it's all like inside like roly-poly. Can you
Okay.
see? Roly, roly, roly like this. Yeah. And then this you can like tie it up.
Ah, okay, like a bonnet.
Yeah, you can style it if you want. But
So, but
yeah.
the hair is inside, like.
Yeah, it's like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So why? Because if you put all the hair in here, then you're stretching it, and it's already wet. So if it's in that
Break.
tension, yeah.
Okay.
So it breaks. But if you put it all scrunched up over here, it's like protected
Loose.
inside,
Mm.
and it's not manipulated too much. Okay. So now we take it off. Yeah, let's go wash it and then we'll style it again. Okay, come here closely. Sure. Oh, look at how pretty her hair is. Oh. And so long, and we use so little.
Yeah.
We washed the hair and now we're going to put a little bit of cream so that her hair stays moisturized, and then she can braid it later. So this is the cream. See, that little bit becomes a lot. So after you just casually apply like this, again you go back to your brush.
Okay.
See how it just
It's light. Yeah.
like gliding and then scrunch.
Mm.
All this extra water will go in the towel.
Towel. Okay.
So you can plop maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Then you can air dry. Diffuse like this. That's how they get the roly-poly curls.
Okay.
Nobody gets roly-poly curls if they air dry.
Okay.
Nobody.
Okay.
So you want that bounce and all that, no? You need a diffuser.
Okay.
But it's not a must. And this is just with cream. So if you want these curls to last like
Okay.
3-4 days, that's when you use gel.
Okay.
But we used only cream because we are going to braid this hair later.
The
no?
gel also the same quantity?
Yes.
It's soft as well, like it's not.
Not
it doesn't have that
crunchy.
gel look like.
Yeah.
When you put too much gel, it is like all
Hard.
clinging together. It's
Yeah.
like still loose, but curls are there.
Yeah, and it's going to get softer and softer as it dries. Yeah, but see, you have the bottom layer, right? So it can never go shorter than that. So it's nice, looking very good. Now half of this.